nanalo? Si Sir Jerome, safe ka. Because nobody won, walang nanalo, walang magbabayad ng 1,000, walang magbabayad ng 1,000. But, Mami, we have this pattern because of your decisions, tama? You could have made a different pattern. I could have, pwede ako nanalo, pwede kang nanalo, if we made a different pattern, tama po. But for today, this is the pattern that was chosen by Mami Amy, tama po. Kung iba yung pattern, pwede nanalo ko, pwede nanalo ka. Alam niyo po ba, guys, at the back of each of these, may puzzle. It's a piece of the puzzle. This one, piece of the puzzle. So, Mami, maybe, we form something special at the back. Tama po? So, guys, do you want to know what we form at the back? So, malaman namin kung ano na form natin? Pwede iba yung na-form natin if we made a different pattern. Right? Everybody, the pattern that was formed, ladies and gentlemen, family and friends, is none other than Yes, Sky! Maraming salamat po! Thank you so much! Yes, Sky! Palakpakan naman natin, Sky! Double finger! Thank you so much! This here? Thank you so much! And that is... Yeah! Double finger, Sky! Palakpakan naman po natin. Sige, high five, Mami. Mami, sa'yo, 5,000 yun? Hindi ako nanalo. Well, anyway, Mami, since nasabi mo sa akin, kung sino yung mayaman, nakaibigan mo, Alright. Ako mo yung Skype pala. Alright, Mami.